This time on the Highland Woodworker.
And the next thing you know, I'm hooked. I'm a wood turner.
He's now spending most of his retirement years turning out creative and detailed masterpieces like these. Al Christopher gives us a tour of his incredible collection, tells us what inspired him to create them, and shares his secret to making pieces like these using only one piece of wood. Plus, can you really make a square from a circle? Learn about some marking and layout tricks from Popular Woodworking magazine that will, no doubt, send you straight to your shop to try them out. These stories and more, this time on the Highland Woodworker.